Farmers and potential farmers learnt more about the correct way to plant sweet potatoes. The Ministry of Agriculture recently hosted a workshop at its Graeme Hall Christ Church headquarters, and among those attending included students from the Samuel Jackman Prescod Institute of Technology. Senior Agricultural Officer Michael James explained more to Nation News.
Over the years, we've been planting sweet potatoes. Sweet potato is one of our major crops. You get them from the south, people like it in soup, and so forth. But over the years, what we've been seeing is a reduction in yields. And the reason for this, one of the major reasons, is a disease called a virus that has been affecting the planting material. Now, viruses, you can't cure a virus, not in plants. All right, so one of the best management practices is to provide clean planting material. So this workshop has been geared to look at giving farmers the ability to have clean planting material in which they can produce proper crops that they can get better yields. Okay? Now we started with cleaning up the planting material first. So you can actually take a disease plant or plants that are not as heavily diseased as others. You can clean it up through tissue culture. So the first part of this project, which was done in collaboration with UE and funded through the FAO, was to look at teaching our staff how to better be able to clean up the tissue culture material. So we started with material, and what we do, we take that to the tissue culture lab where they do in vitro, which means that you take small pieces of it, you grow it on media, and more or less that particular plant is clean when it emerges from there. Right? After it emerges from there, it hardens, which means that it gives enough time that it will be clean. So what we're teaching the farmers today is that after it leaves the tissue culture hardening facility, you can then bulk up that material in your own field.